Hi, I'm Fan Yang, your Chief Currency Analyst here at ForexMinute.com. You're watching today's Forex video briefing. It is Thursday, November 6th, and we're in the middle of the U.S. session. Today, the European Central Bank and the Bank of England provided statements about their latest monetary policy decisions. The euro-pound pair has been consolidating choppily ahead of these event risks, but is now looking ready for a bearish continuation afterwards. Let's take a look at the euro-pound charts to assess the technical development and outlook. This week, the euro-pound has been consolidating roughly between 0.78 and 0.7863. Heading into the central bank statements, the pair looked like it was ready to build a price bottom. Okay. The Bank of England went first. It maintained its minimum bid rate at 0.50% and kept its asset purchase program at £375 billion. The slowdown in Europe is impeding the Bank of England from raising rates until probably the latter half of 2015. The euro-pound pushed higher after the Bank of England statement, but held at the consolidation resistance of 0.7863. Then the European Central Bank made its statement, holding the minimum bid rate at 0.05% and holding off further stimulus, though the economic decline and low inflation is adding pressure for the bank to implement QE. It does leave the door open for QE, and the market believes that its non-focus on balance sheet target suggests the bank is gearing up for quantitative easing. Draghi also reiterated the bank's readiness to act, though he maintained that the bank wants to assess the measures already in place for now. The euro pound is now testing 0.78 low on the week, and at first it is finding some support. Let's see what happens if price gets back into the 0.7830, 0.7840 area. This is a support resistance area and sort of the middle or central pivot of this week's consolidation. Okay, a market that is bearish should hold price below this area, or if it breaks into this area, we should see sellers pushing it back. So the bearish scenario, holding below this area would first have to set 0.78 as a target, and then the 0.7765 low on the year, which you can see on the daily chart. You see the next low here. Okay, now if price pops up above 0.7840 instead, we might have to shelve this bearish outlook for further consolidation or bullish correction. Though if price breaks above 0.7863, 64, we will again have to look for resistance in the 0.7910 area, this high from late October, because the prevailing trend is still bearish. And that wraps up today's Forex video briefing. Thanks again for watching. Trade safe, trade well.